OpenAI API is a powerful tool for developers, but is it really the best choice out there? With so many options in the AI landscape, it's essential to dig deeper and see if it truly delivers on its promises. The OpenAI offers a wide range of functionalities primarily focused on natural language processing. It allows developers to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their applications, enabling tasks like text generation, summarization, translation, and even conversation simulation. The user experience is generally smooth, with well-documented resources that help guide developers through the integration process. One standout feature is its versatility. You can tailor the API to fit various use cases, from chatbots to content creation tools. However, while the documentation is thorough, some users may find it overwhelming, especially if they're new to AI development. The intended audience ranges from startups looking to innovate to larger companies needing robust AI solutions. Despite its strengths, there are areas that still feel a bit vague. For instance, details on pricing and usage limits can be a bit unclear, which might leave some users feeling hesitant about fully committing. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, the OpenAI API is incredibly powerful, offering cutting-edge capabilities that can significantly enhance applications. The community support is also quite strong, with plenty of resources and forums available for troubleshooting. However, there are some frustrations. Pricing can get steep, especially for high-volume usage, which might deter smaller developers or startups. Additionally, while the API is robust, it can sometimes feel complex to navigate, particularly for those without a strong technical background. Trust concerns also arise, particularly around data privacy and the ethical implications of using AI. Developers need to be careful about how they implement these tools, especially in sensitive applications. In conclusion, the OpenAI API is a fantastic option for developers looking to leverage advanced AI in their projects, but it may not be for everyone. If you're a seasoned developer or part of a larger team, it's definitely worth exploring. However, those new to AI or working with tighter budgets might want to consider alternatives before diving in.